Assalamu alaikum students. Class 6 today we are going to start lesson 13 of English grammar. So you have to open the book at page 42. This lesson is about sentences. As I have already told you in the previous lectures that whenever we are going to start a sentence, if we are writing down a sentence, we will always start it with the capital letter. But we end a sentence in different ways, because if the sentence is a statement sentence, we will finish it with full stop. If it is interrogative sentence or a kind of questioning, we are asking for something, then we will end it with a question mark. But if the sentence is exclamatory sentence, or it has kind of exclamation or expression, then we will finish it with an exclamation mark. And exclamation mark is like this one, right? This lesson is about the mostly the usage of comma, and I will tell you how commas are used differently at different places. You have to focus on the bullets, and I will read one by one and then I will explain it. First bullet says that commas are used to separate items on a list. For example, if we have a list of many things, always we will insert comma to separate the different items. Like bring me some rice, then we are inserting comma. Sugar, comma, juice and sauce from the market. So here we have inserted comma to separate the different items. Then commas are used between group of words. When we have to separate the group of words, we will insert comma. Like the class was told to read stories, the thirsty crow. Then we will insert comma. So this is a group of the words which denotes one theme or one thing, the thirsty crow. So we will insert comma here because this is separating this list of the words from the next one, the greedy dog and the sleeping beauty. Commas are used to separate the actual words spoken in direct speech from the rest of the sentence. Well, whenever we are going to separate the actual words which are spoken by a person from the rest of the sentence, we will insert comma. Like it is written here, Gotham said, comma, I will not go to the picnic without you. Here we have inserted comma here, and it is separating the actual words, this one, from the rest of the sentence. And the next point is commas are also used between parts of the sentences to tell the reader where to take a short pause. We insert commas for showing pause. For example, Sachin, then we are inserting comma because in the next part of the sentence we are telling something about Sachin. So we will insert comma here. Sachin, the man who made the maximum centuries in the cricket matches, is injured badly. Here we have inserted comma here here for the second time, and we have to give a pause over here. So it will make the sentence more comprehensive. Commas are used after yes or no in direct speech. So wherever we have to mention yes or no in the direct speech, we will insert comma. Like after yes, we have inserted comma over here, and after no, you have to insert comma. Yes, you are right, said Jones. No, I can't afford to buy such a costly computer, said Mike. Commas are used before a question tag in a sentence, right? Before a question tag in a sentence, we will insert comma. Like that's a beautiful spot for the picnic. Then insert comma. Isn't it? This is question tag, and we have inserted comma before the question tag. That's beautiful spot for the picnic, isn't it? Asked Steve. Come to next page. Here some practices are given, and we have to insert comma by keeping in mind all these points which we have already read. In the first point, you have to separate the items or names of the people by inserting commas, like Rax, then comma, Mary, comma, Maurice and Tim have gone for trekking. We bought some toffees, chocolates, cakes, fruits, wafers and muffins for the journey. In your books you have to insert the commas as I have done it for you. Come to third point. During our summer tour we visited Switzerland. Then you have to insert comma, Germany, comma, Austria, comma, France, comma, Holland and the UK. We are learning English, comma, French, then insert comma, history, comma, geography, comma, maths and science in the class 5th. So come to next practice. You have to insert comma, full stops or question marks, whatever it is needed. So according to the structure of the sentence, you will have to insert comma or full stop or question mark. First one, how far is the nearest hospital from here? So it is a kind of question. So we are going to insert question mark. Mandy asked the policeman. Here after the policeman, you will have to insert full stop. Next one, Nelson said. Again, comma, because as we have already read that in the direct speech, we will insert comma over here. At this pace, we are going to miss the flight. Then insert full stop. The doctor said, comma, the patient's condition is improving now. Full stop. Why are you late again? So it is question or interrogative form of sentence. So we will insert question mark over here. The teacher asked Maxie angrily. Here you have to put up full stop. The fifth one, 20,000 workers worked for 20 years to build this monument. Then you will have to insert comma. The guide told the tourists. Full stop. Come to next practice. It is practice B, and you have to insert comma where the sentence needs a pause. Well, the first one, no, then comma. As we have already read in the previous page that before using yes or no, like this one, after yes and after no, you will have to insert comma. So in the same way, after using no, you will have to insert comma. No, sir, I don't think it is right to punish him so severely. The teacher advised to the principal. Full stop. Mr. Harris, then you have to insert full stop. What do you, after Mr. Harris, you have to insert comma. What do you think of this proposal? The chairman asked the chief engineer. He bought a new car recently. Put up comma over here. Didn't he? This is question tag and we will always insert comma before question tag. You have finished the project, comma, haven't you? Again it is question tag and we have to insert comma before it. Mary said, comma, Binny, will you come with me to the market? So it is question and you have to insert comma over here because it is direct speech and it is separating the actual words from the rest of the sentence. Again we have to put commas around the phrases and clauses. Here some phrases and clauses are given in the sentence and we have to insert the comma for making it comprehensive. Mother Teresa, you will have to insert comma after Teresa because in the next part we will tell something about Mother Teresa. So we will separate it by inserting comma, like Mother Teresa, an Albanian by birth, comma, was born in Yugoslavia but chose to live in India and serve the poor. Mr. Simpson, comma, the police officer on duty, again comma, caught the thieves red-handed. The circus master, comma, who had trained the tiger so well, then comma, could not perform tricks because he fell ill. The train, scheduled to arrive at 2:30 p.m., has been cancelled. So students, you have to go through the lesson so it will be easy for you to learn the usage of comma. In the extended exercise, it is homework for you. You have to do this exercise on the book and you have to learn it. Thank you.